Hey guys, I'm Lina. Welcome to Fashion Fab News. Today I want to show you this eye makeup look with the new Milani products. It's like a eyeliner, graphic eyeliner look with reds and purples, and it's really pretty. I hope you like it. If you want to see how I created this eye makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay, it's summer. It's pretty hot in here. If I want to use my microphone, I need to turn off the AC. So if I'm shiny, that's the reason, because I'm sweaty and it's really hot here in New York. So as I mentioned before, if you want to see how I create the makeup look from the intro, you better keep on watching. I received a box from Milani, and it's like their new goodies. Makeup goodies. Is a cruelty-free brand, and it's also a drugstore brand, so it's affordable, and you can find it everywhere, every Walgreens, CVS, whatever, they have Milani. I'm pretty excited to try these new products. I'm gonna create a beautiful look with you. So right now I don't have makeup on. I only have my moisturizer, so I know I look crazy. But I just want to show you. Basically, they sent me a bunch of eye pencils that basically you can use for more than your eyes. But we're gonna create a fun look with these eye pencils. It's like every single color. We have gray, we have blue, we have brown. I love browns. Like brown mascara, brown pencils. I really like that. A purple. We have this is like an olive green. That's fun. We have this like a yellow. Let's see. I'm excited to see how this one is gonna look. It's called Gold Digger. I like gold. And they also sent me a palette. This one is called Gilded Rouge, and the other one is called Gilded Noir. And for sure we're gonna use all the eye pencils that they send me. Let's create the look. I'm gonna start by filling in my eyebrows with my favorite, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. And my eyebrows are quite funny. But recently I have been using this soap. Is this organic soap by Juice Beauty, and it's amazing. I love this technique. It keeps my eyebrows in place, my eyebrow hairs in place, and I just really like it. And especially this one that has just like a light color, it doesn't show. And I'm gonna use my foundation. This is by Jane Iredale. This is a mineral makeup, really good if you have like acne prone skin, or you're just like recovering from a bad time. Don't be that harsh on your skin like I am right here. With the same foundation, I'm just like framing my eyebrows, cleaning everything that looks crazy. Yeah, summer. I got a little bit tan, and you can tell on my foundation. So I'm just using my beauty blender here to clean all the excess of my foundation. Of course, I need some concealer. Someone that, I don't know, like right now I'm doing this at 3:48 a.m. I just like to sleep really late. So I'm using my Kat Von D concealer, and I'm applying it with a brush. This is like a flat oval brush, and I'm doing it in like a 7 shape, as you can tell, just like a technique that I recently saw on a makeup artist video. And I'm just using my beauty blender, my wet beauty blender, to blend this out and just making it even. Now I'm gonna use this from NYX, and I really like it. You probably have seen it here before. I use it a lot because it's really easy. One side is the bronzer and the other side is the highlighter, so I use this for my contour, and it's really, really convenient. And with the beauty blender, I just blend everything out, and for the bronzer, I like to blend it out with a brush. This brush is really good for the bronzer. For the contouring is from Crown Brushes, and I really like it. Yeah, I changed my hairstyle. Not the best option actually, but what can I do? I'm using the beauty blender just to blend and just like fade a little bit my nose contour. Okay, this is an intermission. I want to tell you that then my camera doesn't show the right colors, like the proper colors. So if you want to check the colors, the true colors of this makeup tutorial, please go to my Instagram, Fashion Fab News. Okay, thank you. I'm setting my makeup with the Tarte translucent powder. Just doing this very lightly. I want the look to be a little bit glowy, not like extremely matte. Of course, I'm baking a little bit my under eye area and my nose because it's summer and it's hot. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury. This is a palette, a beautiful palette with bronzer and highlighter, just adding more color. And I don't know, but I'm gonna use my blush from Charlotte Tilbury as well. I really like this one. It's a coral tone, really soft, really beautiful, and I really like it. I'm kind of obsessed with blushes. Sometimes it's bad, I add too much, but this time it seems that I did right. Probably singing K-pop there, sorry. Now we're gonna use the Milani palette. This one is the Rouge palette, and it has beautiful colors, glitter. I really like it. As you can tell, I'm really happy about it. And the other palette is the Milani Noir, and the colors are more like for fall, so fall is coming, so you better get this one. I really like it. It has like a lot of glitter though. Yeah, yes, kind of confused there. It's like, hello, which one I like? Should I use the Noir, the Rouge? Yeah, while I'm singing again. But for now, let me prime my lids. I really like to prime my lids first, and I'm using this brush that is a fluffy brush just to like blend out the primer, the eye primer, just to have an even coat to start applying my eyeshadows. Yes, that's what I use. I'm gonna start with the Milani, the palette called Noir, and this is the shade entitled, and I'm gonna apply it with a blender brush, fluffy blender brush on my crease. This shade is a little bit similar to my own skin tone, but it has like a rosy corally tone, and I think it's perfect for the crease, so that's what I'm doing, just blend it out on my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna use with another brush, with another blender brush, I'm gonna apply Lost. This shade is really different. It's like a brown, but it has this like purplish undertone, and I'm just building this up, applying it on the outer corner. Yeah, my life is a movie from Blackpink, okay? And I'm just applying this on the outer corner and blending this on my crease as well. With another brush, I'm using Dripping. This is a duochrome shade, another really interesting shade that it looks pink, but it has like these green speckles, this green glitter, green, white, blue, really beautiful. With another small brush, I'm gonna apply No Pictures on the inner corner of my lid, and I'm just gonna pack the color there, creating some dimension with this red sparkly shade. Just packing the color on the inner corner. As you can see, these are like especially dripping. It's like a really beautiful duochrome eyeshadow. And it's time to use the eyeliners, and there's so many, I didn't know which one was better, but I went for the red one first, which is called Picante 08 Picante, and it's creamy, and you have to be careful when you're using these because they are, or I don't know if it's because it's summer, but they're creamy. I like it. It's a red burgundy blood color, and I'm just winging this out, creating a cat eyeliner with the red color, going really close to my lashes. And I actually use this. It's an amazing tiny brush that it helped me to create the perfect edge for this wing eyeliner. I'm gonna use more dripping because it's beautiful, and I think it goes well when I apply it on my lower lash line, because it has this like orangey tone too, so it's like I'm like connecting, and like all the colors are like going really well together. Yeah, you see, like my camera is doing something weird here and the color is off again. But for now we're gonna use 03 Duchess. This is a purple eyeliner, and it's really pretty, from Milani as well, from the line called Stay Put Eyeliner. I'm just gonna create another wing eyeline on top of the red one, and just going like directly above the red eyeline. And with another brush, angle brush, I'm creating the line just to be more precise, to have that pointy edge. I'm sure you have seen that eyeliners and just like doing different type of wing eyeliners and these like graphic styles are like really popular nowadays. Now I'm gonna use the Milani, the Rouge palette, and I'm gonna use the shade called Ethereal, and it's this pink glittery, I don't know, it's like a really beautiful. I recommend you to use water, just like wet your brush when you're gonna apply this one a little bit. Right here I decided to connect all the look and add like a really cute you know, nowadays these like dots, pearls, just embellishments around the face are also really popular, so I decided to add something cute but simple, 2 red dots under my low lash line. Of course you have to curl your lashes, Lina, and I'm using my Tarte eyelash curler, and I'm just adding a little bit of mascara before I add the fake eyelashes. Also adding some lip gloss. This one is really nice, it's called Fluid. Yes. And of course I'm gonna add fake eyelashes. These ones are really big. I was debating if it was a good idea or not, because it kind of hides the effect, the graphic eyeliner effect what I did with the two Milani eyeliners. But these eyelashes are really nice too, so I just had to use it. And with the mascara, I'm just like fusing my own lashes with the fake lashes. Of course, I had to use it for my lower lashes as well. This is also a duochrome lip gloss, and it has like this purple but blue shade. I think it goes well with the color, with the shade, what is it called? Dripping from the Noir palette from Milani. Now I'm gonna use the red eyeliner Picante from Milani. So I'm using that on my lower lash line, and I'm using 03, the Purple Eyeliner Duchess, for my waterline, just to connect everything. So it's like the main colors are red and purple. And I also received a highlighter palette from Milani. It's really pretty, really glittery, which is good for this look. And I use Lunar Rose. I apply it on my nose and my cupid's bow. Well, that was a quick one. I hope you like it. I created this look with the new Milani products. Well guys, this was the look. I'm really happy with the results. I hope you like it too. With the new Milani products, some like reds, purples, really cute. I really like the red dot, and I hope you like it too. So please, if you like it as well, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Start following me everywhere. Fashion Fab News. I'm melting because I don't have an AC right now. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Lina. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.